Good morning, student. Today we will discuss our second unit, Olympic movement. Olympic movement, it is a wide term. It gives us understanding about link between ancient Olympic game with modern Olympic game and the development of game and sports at various levels and bringing together the athletes of the world in this great cardinal festivals of sports. To understand the Olympic movement, one must understand about the ancient Olympic game and modern Olympic game. Let's discuss about ancient Olympic game. The ancient Olympic game. The origin of ancient Olympic games were belong to Greece. This Greece ancient Olympic games were pastimes in the prehistoric period and continue for many centuries as their Greece festival. Greece peoples organize ancient Olympic game to honor their god Zeus. This game, ancient Olympic game, is held with a religious custom to honor their god Zeus. The records say that the first ancient Olympic Games were held in 776 BC. In the state of Athens, near the river valley of Olympiad. The Olympic Games were held after every 4 years. Thus, the Olympic Games start with new moon day in July and continue for 5 days. In ancient Olympic game, the winners were given crown made of olive leaves, and the ancient Olympic games come to a sudden end when a Roman Emperor Theodosius banned this game in the year 394 AD, and the glory of this game vanished with the times as ruins are still present in the Olympiad. Modern Olympic game. The modern Olympic game. The revival of the modern Olympic Games was undertaken by Baron Pierre de Coubertin in around 1500 years after the last ancient Olympic game in the years 1896 at Athens. This modern Olympic Games helps to promote peace and unity within the international community through the medium of sports. Baron Pierre Coubertin is also known as the father of modern Olympic game. Baron Pierre de Coubertin was born in Italian family and settled in the France. In the conference of physical education on 25 November 1892, Baron Coubertin he planned for the restorations of Olympic game in 1900 at Paris with a motive of strengthening amateur sports to develop everlasting quality for modern educations. In 1894, the International Conference of Amateur Sports at Paris passed the resolution to create International Olympic Committee to observe the modern Olympic game. International Olympic Committee, it is the governing body of the modern Olympic game, and this International Olympic games were created so that it observed the conduct of modern Olympic game. But the zeal of the delegates was so much that instead of that day, instead the first games is held in 1896 at Athens. Since then, the modern Olympic Games is held after every 4 years, and the honors um, of holding the modern Olympic game is given to the city, and it is the choice of the city is the choice of the city for the celebrations is with modern International Olympic Committee. International Olympic Committee choose the city for the for organizing the Olympic game. This is about the modern Olympic game. Olympic flag. Olympic flag, it was designed by Baron according to the Baron-Pierre de Coubertin's suggestion in 1913, but it was firstly flown to the Olympic Stadium in 1920 at Antwerp Olympic game. Okay, this Olympic flag, it was designed according to the Coubertin's suggestions in 1913, and it was first flown in 1920 at Antwerp Olympic game. Olympic flag consists of five. It consists of five ring circle interlinked with each others on a white background cloth. Okay, Olympic flag, it consists of five circle ring, five color ring circles, that is blue, black, red, yellow, green, interlinked with each others on a white background cloth. This flag, Olympic flag, symbolize the supporting attitude of all the peoples of the various continents. It represents the five continents of the world, and the color, this five colors is present in the flag of all the country. These five colors represent five continents, that is blue represent Europe, black Africa, red America, yellow Asia, and green Australia. These are the five continents of the world. Olympic torch. Olympic torch, it was first flame was ceremoniously lighted in 1928 at Amsterdam Olympic. Olympic torch is symbolize the continuity between ancient Olympic game with modern Olympic game. The Olympic torch first kindles the flame at the first light by the sun ray at Olympiad, Greece, and then it is carried to the site of the game by the relay of the runners. Okay, first it is lighted in the Olympiad, and then it is carried to the host city. Olympic torch, Olympic motto. The Olympic motto is Citius Altius Fortius, which means faster, higher, and stronger. Citius means faster, Altius means higher, and Fortius means stronger. This is the Olympic motto, Citius Altius Fortius, and this motto is also pronounced by Baron-Pierre de Coubertin at Paris Olympiad in 1900. Olympic prize. In ancient time, Olympic prize was crown made of olive leaves, but in modern Olympic games, the Olympic prize is medals. Medals were given. In modern Olympic, the reward were medals, gold, silver, and medals. And first positions, he received gold medals, second silver, and third bronze medals. And up to the sixth position holders, they get a certificate. And the head of the Olympic certificate, any rules and regulation, the rules and regulation of the Olympic game, it is set by the International Olympic Committee. International Olympic Committee, it is the head, it is a governing body of the modern Olympic game. He set all the rules and regulations for the Olympic game, and the head office of IOC is at Lausanne, Switzerland. Olympic oath. Oath is taken by the athletes of the host country on behalf of all the competitors. The oath is, in the name of all the competitors, I promise that we shall take part in this Olympic game, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern them, committing ourselves to a sports without doping and without drugs, in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the glory of the sports and the honors of our teams. This is the Olympic torch, which is taken by the athletes of the host country on behalf of all the competitors. Olympic and drugs. Olympic and drugs, that is doping. Today, game and sports is become very professional, very professionals, and there is lot of fame and name in the Olympic, in the game and sports. Therefore, the athletes use illegal methods to win the medals. They take drugs. It's known as doping. Doping means taking up drugs to improve their performance, and this doping is banned by the International Olympic Committee, because it wants dope-free games, and wants to give equal opportunity for the athletes. Therefore, it banned the drugs, and drugs, it is also harmful for the health of the athletes. International Olympic Committee is strictly following its regular checking towards the drugs and the sports, and it has also set up many laboratories to test the athletes for the drugs. The testing laboratories are named as World Anti-Doping Agency. It checks that the athlete has taken drugs or not. If it is found positive, then he is banned from the game. Olympic Special Olympic Internationals. It was started by Eunice Kennedy Severs. She is the sister of United States of America. Okay, she is the sister of former President of the United States of America, that is John F. Kennedy. The idea to organize the Special Olympic for intellectual disability came to her mind when she witnessed the social exclusion for the people with intellectual disability who were kept in the custodial institution as routines. She believed that if equal opportunity and equal opportunity are given to the people's intellectual disabled people, then they can also be an exceptional athletes. So she organized the Special Olympic for the intellectual disabled person, and through this through intellectual disability they can also accomplish far more than ever thought possible. She was convinced that children with intellectual disability could be an exceptional athletes, and through sports they can raise their potentials for the growth. This is about the Special Olympic. Okay, Special Olympic, this Special Olympic Internationals, it was started by Eunice Kennedy Severs for the people with intellectual disability. The idea for organizing the Special Olympic came to her mind when she witnessed the social exclusion of the people with intellectual disability who were kept in the custodial institutions. She believed that if equal opportunity and experience were given to that persons, then people with intellectual disability could accomplish far more than ever thought possible. So, she convinced that children with intellectual disability could be an exceptional athletes and that through sports they can show their potential. She therefore um, start the world witnessed the first international special Olympic game in Chicago in July 1968. Olympic it is a movement and that use sports to reform the life of disabled. It gives training. This International Special Olympic International also give training to the disabled, intellectual disabled coaching. It's give training and coaching to build the interest in the sports, skill perfection, to perfect their skill for social interactions, communication skill and talent and leadership ability in the intellectual disabled persons. This is about the Special International Olympic, which was started by Eunice Kennedy Shivers for intellectual disabled person. Olympism. Olympic aim and objective, ideals and value. Olympism is to promote the development of those fine physical and moral quality which are the base of amateur sports and to bring together the athletes of the world in this great coordinated festival of sport, that is to bring the athletes of the world in the Olympic game so that they compete with each others in the Olympic game. Okay, Olympism, it is to promote and development of those fine and moral quality which are the base of amateur sports and to bring together the athletes of the world in this great coordinated festivals. Olympic ideals and value. Olympic ideals means thought. The Olympic ideals that Baron Pierre de Coubertin said before the world are in this world. The important things in the Olympic is not to win but to take part. The important thing in life is not to triumph but to struggle. The essential thing is not to have conquered but to fought well. This is the Olympic ideals which the Coubertin said before the world. It means the important things in the Olympic is not to win but to take part. Okay, the importance, that is the important things in Olympic is not to win but you have to participate. If you participate, you will get a experience. So you should participate in the Olympic game so that you get a experience. The important things in life is not to triumph but to struggle. Means in life you have to do struggle. Okay, it's not necessary you always gain a victory. Okay, the important thing is you should have to struggle. If you do struggles, you will gain you will able to struggle in the life. Okay, so the important thing in life do a struggles. The essential thing is not to have conquered but to fought well. Means in the essential, the important thing is not to win, but the important things is to fight well. Okay, first, the important thing is Olympic is not to win but to take part. In Olympic you should take part. Winning is not important. The important thing is you should participate in the Olympic. The important things in life is not to triumph but to struggle. Means the important thing in life is not only victory, but the important thing is life is to do struggle. The essential things is not to have conquered but to fought with. Means the essential things is not to conquer. Okay, but you should fight well. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं कि आप हमेशा विक्ट्री पाओ, जरूरी है कि आप पार्टिसिपेट करो. What is the purpose that he had in the mind? The purpose that he had in the mind were to draw the attention of the world to the fact that international program of physical training and competitive sports not only help in developing good health of the young people but also help to create great citizen and provide development of characters and personality. Okay, through Olympic game, through game and sports, it's not only help in developing good health but also helps to create better citizens and develop their good quality in him, develop their personality. It also helped to create loyalty, sense of loyalty in them. It developed team spirit and enable young people to be more useful in life. This is the purpose that he had in his mind, and to stimulate the fine art by organizations of exhibitions and similar display to broaden their outlook and make life happier, to inculcate, to teach among all the sports person the concept of sports, to create a spirit of internationals, friendship and goodwill. Okay, it's helped to create international friendship and goodwill and to contribute better understanding among peoples, among nation. And based on this well-defined ideals, the two fundamental participants of Olympic are as follows. In Olympic family there is no discrimination of caste, creed, color, race. All competitors are same. All the competitors have to be amateurs. They should play for pleasure. Paralympic, it is the sports for athletes with impairment. Sports for athletes with impairment had existed for more than 100 years, and the first sports clubs for the deaf were already in existence in 1818 at Baden. Means this Paralympic game is for the people with disabilities. These Paralympic games were organized in parallel with the Olympic game, while the International Olympic Committee, it is the governing body of modern Olympic game. In the same manners, International Paralympic Committee, it is the governing body of the Paralympic game. International Paralympic Committee make all the rules and regulations which should be followed in the Paralympic game. In Paralympic, the athletes with a wide range of disability, including impaired muscle powers, leg length different, paralysis, intellectual impairment, vision impairment, hypertonia, such short height, etc. This type of disabled person participate in the Paralympic game, and the first Paralympic Games was held in Rome, Italy in 1960. And deaf Olympic is for the deaf people. In deaf Olympic, deaf athletes participate. Okay, in Paralympic, the disabled person participate except deaf. Okay, in deaf Olympic, the deaf participate, and the first Paralympic Games were held in Rome, Italy in 1960, and this Paralympic game, it is organized in parallel with the modern Olympic game. International Olympic Committee. International Olympic Committee, it is the supreme authority of the modern Olympic movement. This International Olympic Committee was formed in June 1894 as at International Athens Congress held at Paris. Okay, International Olympic Committee, it was formed in 1894. In International Olympic Committee, International Olympic Committee, it acts as a catalyst for collaboration between parties of the Olympic family, from National Olympic Committee, International Sports Federations, athletes, organizing committee for the Olympic Games, sponsors or the partners, etc. The headquarters of the International Olympic Committee is at Lausanne, Switzerland. The role of International Olympic Committee is to motivate, encourage and support the promotions of ethics, that is principles in sports, as well as educations of the youth about the sports, and dedicates its effect to encourage and support. International Olympic Committee encourage and support the organizations, development and coordination of sports and sports competitions. International Olympic Committee ensure that the regular conduct of the modern Olympic game after every 4 years. It International Olympic Committee cooperate with the competent public and private organizations to take actions in others. International Olympic Committee take all the actions to strengthen the unity and to promote the independence of the Olympic movement, to act against any form of discriminations which are affected in Olympic movement, to encourage and support the promotion. This International Olympic Committee helps to encourage and also motivate the women to participate in the sports, and also form various rules and regulation for the women so that they can also participate. International Olympic Committee also fight against doping in the sports, encourage and supportive measure protecting the health of the athletes, encourage and support effort of sports organizations and public authority. And last, International Olympic Committee helps in the development of sports for all. These are the some role of the International Olympic Committee. And in India, Indian Olympic Association Indian Olympic Association, whatever the rules and regulation the International Olympic Committee form, this Indian Olympic Association enforce all the rules and regulations of the game and sports at the national levels. And International Indian Olympic Association came to India in 1990 by Sir Dorobji Tata. He is the IOA was formed in 1927 by Sir Dorobji Tata, and he is the first president. DG Nohim is the secretary, and GD Sodhi is an assistant secretary. The headquarters of Indian Olympic Association is at New Delhi. Indian Olympic Association is the apex sports organizations of Olympic sports in the country. IOA, Indian Olympic Association, develop and promote the Olympic movement and amateur sports, promote and encourage the physical, moral and cultural value among the youth of the India, enforce all the rules and regulations which was formed by the International Olympic Committee in India, provide training to the athletes so that they participate in the International Olympic, to assist the National Sports Federation to observe this Indian Olympic Association observe and check the smooth working of the National Sports Association of Federations. To arrange, it also helps to arrange the fund for organizing various tournaments, for giving training to the players, infrastructures development, etc.